Oh my god.
Skateboard kid. Yeah.
You are crazy.
Yeah. I'm crazy.
Yes, you are.
Yes, I am. I'm crazy. Skateboard kid.
And I love it.
She love it. See that? I do. Yeah. You gotta eat something though.
Yeah, find something to watch.
What you gonna eat? Huh?
What you want to eat?
I don't know. You the next chef up in the game?
I can't cook nothing in this room. I'm butthurt.
The only thing we got in here to do is coffee right now. A couple M&Ms.
I was out there make M&M's my
That's
day.
on me, huh?
This is dangerous. This right here is dangerous.
Dangerous wise niggas.
You know why it's dangerous.
It's a quick shot. 4 bottles.
A quick shot for what?
I don't know.
Exactly.
What? You know what I mean?
Exactly. Figure it out. And
Yeah.
it's dangerous.
Y'all need to figure it out. Follow your man, get that. You know what I mean?
Don't.
You know what I'm saying? Jeez,
You look like you was like bouncing off the walls and
Y'all
stuff.
hear that? I don't think y'all need to hear that yet. Y'all might try to stalk me for that.
You was like everywhere.
Yeah. I'm everywhere. She tell you that. I'm everywhere.
Yes, you are. Lots of energy. I already have lots of energy, but this stuff made it seem like you was like on steroids or something. I was like, oh my gosh, what is wrong with this boy?
Wow. Wow.
It had me scared.
No, so y'all want to be a green hawk? Take this. Okay?
You wouldn't be a lunatic to take that.
Yeah. But don't do it because I said it.
Yeah, weirdo.
Maybe y'all weirdos out here.
Yeah.
I am like guys with the weirdos.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Wow. You gotta eat something.
I know. It's up to you.
Don't get a menu.
Okay.
See that? Yeah. More things to come for the kid. I got so many videos out of this, crazy.
I heard you got over like 10,000 in 1 month. That's what somebody told me.
You hear that? Say it again.
Somebody online, I think, I don't know what his name is, but he keeps you updated on these videos, and he said that you had over 10,000 videos out in a month
Wow.
or something. I'm like,
Wow.
wowzers.
For all y'all bootleggers out there, all y'all people stealing my videos, probably gonna add up to 10,000. I see
Yeah.
my videos out for a long time.
Yeah. Looking all cute.
See that?
Good.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
A lot of girls want me, you know?
Don't say that.
Wow. Okay, what is this? What did we ate from these people?
Yeah, it's HBO. I didn't even know that.
Yeah, 18. I'm tired of looking at the storm. I can look at it right here. Maybe look on TV. Yeah. Oh yeah, ESPN, you know. ESPN, I am sports.
I don't know.
Wow. We also got video games. I want to know like what kind of game we can play up in here.
Nothing special.
Like
Where's this connected to?
I don't even see like it tells you all the channels. But I don't tell you what games you can play.
Oh, there were the channels right here.
What you say?
Well, this has the same thing. Channels.
Yeah. See, these like the standard cable channels right here.
Hmm?
This for y'all that bootleg cable out. These like all the channels y'all would get. The best channel would be USA, HBO, TNT, and I'll say probably Cartoon Network. What's that?
Magazines.
You bought that here?
No. I was looking.
I'm trying to find somewhere to order. I'm not gonna keep ordering here.
That's what I was looking for.
Tony and y'all. And she trying to pay for this food too.
I did.
She's trying to pay for this food. And she ain't.
I heard you.
So, we gonna see. She done got the hotel. She don't know that she get all her money back though, so.
I'm not taking it back.
She ain't hear that. I said, I ain't saying that.
You heard me though.
I was reading this.
It's nothing in here. I don't know. I don't see no papers in here. There's
Wow.
a phone book right there.
Okay. There should be a Bible in there, right?
No.
Oh, y'all ain't putting Bibles in the hotel? Maybe that's how it would be. Gotta be a Bible in here. That's what y'all do.
Yeah.
See? See? Yeah. By the way, when I leave, I'm taking this lamp with me too. And I'm taking yeah, we taking a couple of things. I might take the furniture. I don't want to take the TV because they ain't a flash screen. So we're gonna show you this. We're gonna get the yellow page. And we are like in the center city, Penn Landing area. So we're gonna look at the yellow page. Yellow page. Make sure it's a new drawing.
They send them new ones every year, don't they?
Gotta make sure. See, it's getting old. See that? June 2010 is old. That'd be a year ahead. So we're gonna find some food.
Look at why it comes out here in all this weather.
Oh yeah, let me show y'all. Y'all think it ain't snowing out here. So we ain't gotta watch TV. We're gonna watch the window. Look at this. Wow. And I'm not in Minnesota. Wow, look at your car like.
Crazy.
See, and this girl got me coming all the way down here. Down here. This is just nighttime, but in the daytime, wow. Wow. See what she do? See what she do? Yeah. But we gonna get some food right now, you know? I don't know. And I'm paying for it. She ain't paying for nothing. She like to fight over paying food. She need to be quiet and I pay for it. And then I was looking for this, you know?
Yeah, right.
I was looking for like, are you cleaning up?
Silence.
Silence? Wow. Alright. We need to look like restaurants, like
I don't think you know what you're doing, do you?
are you gonna show me?
Well, what are you looking for exactly?
Food! See? I just hit the page already. You see that? As in like ordering. It could be a dinner plate. It could be a regular pizza. But I ain't paying for it. Okay? She ain't paying for nothing. She paid for something on TV. Best she want. Tell them right now, you're not gonna pay for nothing.
So, why?
You're not paying for no food or nothing. Say it. Say it.
Come, look.
Sheesh. Wow.
You don't know what you're looking for.
Some girls are black now. See the nails? See that? You know what I'm looking for?
I don't think you know what you're looking for.
What you looking for?
I don't know. I'm looking to see what the heck you're doing.
Okay.
Shouldn't you do it by like, if you just look at restaurants, like, it's not gonna.
I know the area, so I'm looking at the area we at.
Where's the areas?
You already know where we at. I gave you the address. You got the address, didn't you?
No, it's 100
North what?
Christopher Columbus Boulevard.
Okay.
Don't forget anything.
Good. That's what's up. So, see, these people think they slick with these people. But we're gonna find something real quick. That's nice for market. Wow. But I gotta think. The closest they would deliver it is because South Street is down here, so it's Domino Pizza on South Street. Down here, it's a lot of clubs, Dave and Buster's. Down here. It's probably only these people down here. Probably only these people. I don't remember no other food store.
Oh.
So, this is what we're gonna do now. "26 minutes we going on right now. Crown fried chicken. Wow. See, I just said Dave and Buster's and that popped up. I don't think they deliver food. Wow. Okay, but so that's Columbus Pier North. Okay. Columbus Pier North. See, that's why people use iPhones and BlackBerry, because these people give you like the intersection of food. Go on your iPhone, you just type in the damn zip code, and every food store will pop up around here. Watch. I'm going old school for y'all.